We'll guide you through how to use Google Docs offline. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure you're signed into your Google account. You'll need to be using Chrome because offline access requires it. Next, go to the Google Docs homepage by typing docs.google.com into the address bar. Once there, look for the menu icon at the top left of the screen, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, and click it. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Offline. Click the toggle switch next to it to enable offline access. Google will prompt you to install the Google Docs offline extension if you haven't already, so go ahead and add it. This extension is necessary to make documents available offline. After enabling offline access, your recent documents will start syncing automatically. You can also manually select which documents you want to access offline by clicking on the 3 vertical dots next to a document and choosing Available Offline. When you do this, Google Docs will download the document to your computer, so you can edit it even without an internet connection. Remember, any changes you make will sync back to the cloud the next time you're online. This is a great feature if you know you're going to be without internet access, like during travel or in areas with poor connectivity. And there you have it. You can now work on your Google Docs anytime, anywhere, without having to worry about an internet connection. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.